Good morning, children. Welcome again in online classes of computer lesson 6. Children, lesson 6 is Introduction to MS Word. MS Word is a word processing software. It is an application software. It is used to create document, edit, save and format the document. It is especially used for typing data like book, newspaper, document, and so on. Children, it is a window of Microsoft Word. It has so many parts, means it has different components like first bar is called title bar. It is used to show the name of software and name of file. It has so many icons. In left side you can see this is save option, save icon, sorry, and undo, redo icon. And in right side you can see there are three buttons. Number one, minimize button. It is used to minimize window. Number two, restore button. You can resize your window. And last one is close button. You can close your document, you can close your window with the help of this button. Yes, children. Next is menu bar or tab standard toolbar. You can say it is quick access toolbar. It has so many options. It has so many commands like font size, font style, font color, and so on. Children, important part or important component of this window is working area. It is white area. This is called working area. Here you can type and create your document. Children, next is this is scroll bar. MS Word has two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal. Okay, children, and last at the bottom it is a status bar. You can see it has also so many icons. It shows the status of your window. Microsoft Word window status shows means how many pages you have used and which column and in which row you are working. This is icon of MS Word software. Children, here are some commands like undo and redo. What is the use of undo and redo? Children, undo command is used to deactivate the last action of the window or screen, and redo is used to deactivate the undo action. I told you in class also. Yes children, undo means जो आपने लास्ट एक्शन किया है आप उसको undo कर सकते हो, डीएक्टिवेट कर सकते हो। और अगर आपको चाहिए कि आप फिर से undo एक्शन को रिपीट करना चाहते हैं तो आप रीडू कमांड से उसको दोबारा से रिपीट कर सकते हैं, रीडू कर सकते हैं। Here are some remember and quick tip. You can see you can deselect the text by clicking anywhere in the Word document. Means if you have select something, some document, some text, you can deselect. If you want to deselect it, you can click anywhere on the screen. It will be deselected. Deselected and deactivate. Select means activate and deselect means deactivate. Quick tip. the keyboard shortcut for the undo and redo. You can also use redo and undo command with the help of keyboard. It has some shortcut key like Ctrl plus Z for undo and Ctrl plus Y for redo. Children, you can save your document, you can save your text with the help of save command. You can click on File tab and click on Save As option. After then, you will follow these steps and you can save your file. Here one quick tip, you can also save a document by using Ctrl plus S keyboard shortcut. Alternatively, you can click on the save button on the quick access toolbar. Yes children, इसमें बताया जा रहा है कि आप जो हैं खाली सेव एज फाइल टैब से ही अपनी फाइल को सेव नहीं कर सकते हैं। आपके पास 3 तरीके हैं उसको सेव करने के। आप कंट्रोल प्लस एस जो शॉर्टकट है, कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट है, उससे भी अपनी फाइल को सेव कर सकते हैं। और ऑल्टरनेटिवली मीन्स इसके साथ साथ आप जो हैं क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में जो आइकन आपको दिखाया गया था, मैंने आपको दिखाया था, दिस इज अ आइकन ऑफ सेव फाइल, यहाँ क्लिक करके भी आप अपनी फाइल को सेव कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज क्लोजिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट। चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन close your document if you want to close. Means if you have finished your work, you can close your document. How can you close? Same process you can follow here, like file, go to the file tab and click on close button. And next method is you can also use shortcut for the close option. You can click on Alt plus F4. It is a shortcut of closing any software, closing any window. Now you can also print your file, you can also print your document with the help of File tab. Click on File tab, then click on Print option. The dialog box will appear like this, and here you can choose particular printer or particular commands which is needed in your document. means आपको एक कॉपी निकालनी है, 2 कॉपी निकालनी है, या आपको अपने डॉक्यूमेंट का साइज पेज साइज सेट करना है, वो सारी सेटिंग आप यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं और अपनी फाइल का प्रिंट आउट ले सकते हैं। प्रिंट आउट करने से पहले आप अपना प्रीव्यू भी देख सकते हैं साथ साथ कि आपका जो लेटर है, आपका जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, आपका जो टेक्स्ट है, वो किस तरह का दिखाई दे रहा है, तो वो भी आप साथ के साथ इसमें देख सकते हैं। इसके लिए भी आप शॉर्टकट की कंट्रोल प्लस पी यूज कर सकते हैं और इस तरह से आप अपनी फाइल को सेव कर पाएंगे। Now children, here are some shortcut keys to select a particular document, word, line from starting at the end. There are so many commands or shortcut keys. To change to the beginning of the document, if you want to select from the beginning of the document, you will click Shift plus Control plus Home. Next, to end of the document, you will click Shift plus Control plus End. Next, to the beginning of the current line, Shift plus Home. To the end of the current line, Shift plus End. One character to the left, Shift plus arrow key. Which arrow key? Right arrow key. One character to the right, Shift plus right arrow key. Sorry, one character to the left, Shift plus left arrow key, and one character to the right, shift plus left arrow key. One line up, shift plus up arrow key, and one line down, shift plus down arrow key. Okay, children, it will become easy to select anything if you will use this. Key terms. Some key terms are here. Number one is word processor. Word processor, a type of application software that is used to create Word document. Next, application software, programs that are used to perform a specific task. मीन्स कि एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स जो आप यूज करते हैं, जिनमें आप काम करते हैं, वो पर्टिकुलर वर्क के लिए, एप्लीकेशन के लिए, टास्क के लिए बनाए जाते हैं, उनको हम एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं। और वर्ड प्रोसेसर जो है वो एक वर्ड को प्रोसेस करने के लिए, मीन्स टाइपिंग वर्क के लिए यूज किया जाता है। Now here are some points in recap. Recap means summary of your lesson as usual. Number one, Microsoft Word, MS Word is a word processing software program like WordPad. MS Word is one of the most widely used word processing software program because of its advanced features. Microsoft Office Suite, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, OneNote, and Publisher. MS Word is used to create letter, report, newsletter, books, bills, notice, so on, and to modify the text document. You can select the text in a Word document using two ways: using the mouse and using the keyboard. Okay, students, this lesson is completed. Thank you.